Make sure to stay till the end. It could be something completely different that most people never think about it, guys, and if you don't do it right, you may just waste your money. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger, guys, and you have check engine light and code P0013. Stay with us, we'll explain what causes that, how to fix it. One of those fixes, guys, could be something super simple that most people don't think about that, and we will explain what you need to check, because in some cases you may not need to replace any parts to fix that code. So all that will be covered in this video today. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, guys, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Challenger or any car you want to save quite a bit of money, get them at a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's start on it now. So specifically we'll be demonstrating on a 2018 Dodge Challenger that we have right here. This is, guys, the Dodge Challenger 3.6 engine, but even if you have a V8 procedure may be very similar as well. Now let's explain what we have here, guys. Okay, this is the scanner that we're using here, guys, okay, for diagnostics. I want to show you quick. It works on almost any car you can think of. It's an amazing tool that can pay itself off in one-time use. Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, you can see that's a Chrysler product. And what's cool about that one, you can access every computer system in your car. You can read, delete code, see live data. It's a tool that can pay itself off in one-time use, guys. So practically dealer level equipment without the programming part, which is amazing tool. And people always ask me to recommend good scanner because there are so many on the market and some of them are not. Believe us, we tested probably hundreds of scanners here at the garage. So what causes that code P0013? It means that you have problems with the camshaft actuator on bank 1 sensor 2. So if you look at that Dodge engine, guys, you have two cylinder heads, one on this side, one on that one. The left one is known as bank 1, this is known as bank 2. The engine kind of like treats them like two separate engines for some things, so it can control things precisely. And if you look, you're going to have two camshafts. One here, that's on the exhaust side, that's where the exhaust manifold is, and the other one is on the intake side. The intake side, that's a camshaft actuator right there, or also known as phaser actuator. That's bank 1 actuator 1. This is for the intake. This is actuator 2, bank 1 actuator 2. This is what it looks like. We have it removed, okay? That's the device. What it does, signal will send and it will practically, okay, you can see it will come in and out, and as a result, guys, it's going to press that thing here and controls the variable timing. Okay, so if you have these codes, what do you need to start with? Number one, make sure that you change the engine oil and you have, okay, the correct type of engine oil, viscosity 5W20 in our case. If you guys have wrong type of engine oil or the engine oil is dirty, that can cause problems with the actuators and get that called P0013. So dirty engine oil and faulty oil filter can cause it as well. Always use good quality oil filters. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can buy filters and oil from as well. Number two, guys, okay, if you change the oil and it still does that, okay, in some cases, okay, what you might need to use, guys, is known as an engine flush on higher mileage engine especially. That engine flush is amazing stuff. We made a video that says, does leaky moly engine flush work? We demonstrated on a Porsche Cayenne, guys, with 190,000 miles, and the engine was like new after we used that additive on the inside. And it will clean the passages where oil will flow through. That's for variable timing, okay, and it can easily, guys, okay, take care of that problem in some cases. Number three, it could be the connector right here for that actuator. Okay, that's the connector. Make sure it's clean, it's not contaminated with engine oil, and it's plugged in. Number 4, it could be a bad camshaft actuator. We'll have a video how to test it, and if you need to buy one, we will have the link on the in the description of the video below, and you can see where you can get one from if you need to. Now, if all that checks out fine and you still get that code, it's likely that you have problems with the variable timing gear on the inside, and that will require more work, but we'll have the video how to replace variable timing sprocket on Dodge Challenger as well on the 3.6 engine. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.